to draw a cube, and the cube that we drew, we used a help of the grid snap to do it. So the grid snap, if we turn that toggle on at the bottom, we could, when we select the box command, right, and we showed you how to get to it with the pull down and all that, but that grid snap will help you to snap your cursor right into every 6 inches, because that's what we set up. Okay, so this is our major grid, which is a foot, and what we're going to do is to set right there at the 0 line and then come way out here to the edge of the box or edge of the grid, and if you check down here at the status bar, you'll notice that it would say we're at 24 by 24. Okay, so if we click on that, the next thing that the command prompt will ask us is, how high do you want the box? So we'll say 24 feet. Okay, and there it is. Likewise, if we did not have the grid snap on or row snap on, we could input the dimension manually. So if we say box command, and if we type in 0, 0, that'll get us to the 0, 0 origin. And then we'll put the symbol at for relative coordinate. So from the last point, we'll go 24 feet, 24 feet, and enter, and that'll get us to the exact same spot where we were before. And it'll ask us how high, and we'll say 24 feet again. Okay, so if you try to draw the box like this, if I'm over here, I just set it anywhere, right? And then if I say 24 foot by 24 foot, what it's going to do is to go to the absolute coordinate right there, right? Because that 24 foot is the absolute coordinate from that 0 origin. It went 24 foot in the x direction, 24 foot in the y direction, and that's how we wound up there. Okay, so if we want to do another 24-foot box, we have to put a relative coordinate. It could be anywhere. All we have to do is put the at symbol and then say 24 foot, 24 foot. And then it'll be to the relative of wherever you had the last cursor point to that 24 foot by 24 foot. And then how high? 24 foot. And so that's how we input either the absolute coordinate system or the relative coordinate system. Okay, and the coordinate system always works in the x direction, y direction, and z axis direction.